Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily manage quiet mode settings on your BROTHER DCP-T510W. So here we have the printer settings or the buttons. Now here we can simply click on the menu button, go over to general setup, and here go over to ecology. Now click OK. Here we have the sleep mode, but we're interested in the quiet mode, which is below the sleep mode. So basically click OK. Here you can choose between off and on. So if you want to enable the quiet mode, simply click OK. Now it's accepted, and as you guys can see, the star is now here, which indicates that this setting is set. So now it's enabled. But if you want to disable it, simply go over to off and click OK. And now make sure that this star is right next to the off option. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next videos. Bye.